The best electric scooters for beginners offer stability, ease of use, and reliable safety features. Top choices include the Segway Ninebot Max G2-43, durable, great range, Segway Ninebot Max G3-50, smooth ride, long range, Apollo Go, fast, agile, NIU KQi 1 Pro, affordable, reliable, and GoTrax G4, budget-friendly. These models provide the best balance of safety, range, and speed for newcomers. Number 1. Segway Ninebot Max G2-43. This Segway Max G2 electric scooter features a 1000W motor, enabling a maximum speed of 22 miles per hour and an extended travel distance of 43 miles, powered by Ride-along technology. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, the scooter supports a maximum load weight of 265 pounds, ensuring reliability for both teens and adults. UL 2272 certified for electrical safety. It includes integrated turn signals, a brake light, and an LED headlight for improved visibility and compliance. Designed for durability and comfort, the scooter incorporates a dual suspension system for a smooth and stable experience on various terrains. The scooter requires a charging time of 6 hours, allowing for efficient power replenishment for continued use. With advanced traction control and rear-wheel drive, it offers superior handling, making it ideal for diverse commutes and adventures for its intended age groups. Number 2. Segway Ninebot Max G3-50. Enjoy up to 50 miles of riding with the 597Wh battery, thanks to Segway range technology, ensuring long, uninterrupted rides. Effortless controls and intuitive design make it easy for beginners to maneuver, while Segway ensures superior stability, even on sharp turns and slippery roads. With a high-strength aluminum alloy frame and rigorous durability testing, the Max G3 is designed for long-term use, lasting through 12,427 miles of simulated random vibrations and over 500,000 suspension durability tests. The upgraded 11-inch self-sealing tubeless tires absorb shocks and reduce vibrations, offering a stable, comfortable ride across various terrains, and can automatically seal punctures up to 4 mm. Charge your scooter in just 3.5 hours with the built-in fast charger, or reduce charging time to 2.5 hours with the optional DC charger, sold separately. The Max G3 is ANSI/CAN/UL 2272 certified by TÜV Rheinland, meeting top-tier safety standards for peace of mind while riding. Equipped with dual front and rear adjustable hydraulic suspensions and reliable disc brakes, the Max G3 ensures a smooth, comfortable ride on rough roads. Number 3. Apollo Go. Equipped with dual 350W motors that offer a combined 1500W peak output, this e-scooter delivers exceptional power. Whether commuting or riding for fun, this full-sized electric scooter reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour and conquers 25% grade hills effortlessly. Go further on a single charge with the cutting-edge 21,700 battery cells. The Apollo Go electric scooter offers up to 30 miles of range in eco mode, 20 miles in standard, and 15 miles in sport mode, making it ideal for longer commutes or recreational rides. You can forget about range anxiety too, because every rider has access to the Apollo app. Use our advanced range estimation algorithm to know exactly how much battery you have left. Stay visible day or night with the brilliant 360 degrees lighting system. Unlike many e-scooters, this scooter boasts 5 light sources strategically placed for maximum visibility. Whether you're turning or riding straight, other road users can spot you easily. Experience a new level of riding comfort with our innovative airflow suspension. Designed for scooter use, this system combines dynamic front spring dampening with rear polyurethane rubber suspension. The result is over 2 inches of travel, absorbing bumps and vibrations for a smoother ride. Whether cruising city streets or navigating rough terrain, this electric scooter delivers an enjoyable riding experience. Number 4. NIU KQi 1 Pro. The NIU K200P series takes electric scooter performance and portability to the next level. Enjoy a smooth, powerful, and stylish ride, perfect for urban explorers who demand more from their everyday commute. Dual-tube 32mm suspension with 10-foot tubeless pneumatic tires. Max stroke minimizes bumps and vibrations. Enhanced grip and durability make for better stability and control on urban roads. Built for durability, long distance, and off-road adventures. Experience instant acceleration with a 350W brushless motor, 700W max power, and 22 Nm torque, making every ride smooth and responsive. Reach a thrilling 20 miles per hour, making your commute faster and more fun. Go 35% farther compared to the KQi 2 Pro. No battery change required. Ride longer, explore more, and enjoy every journey with complete peace of mind. Ride up to 33.6 miles on a single charge with an upgraded 7.8 Ah 365 Wh battery, perfect for longer rides without needing a charger. Compared with KQi 2 Pro, K200P has 4% wider handlebar, 20% payload boost, and 10-foot upgraded low rolling resistance tires reduce deformation and roller resistance for greater energy efficiency. Number 5. GoTrax G4. The GXL V2 is the GoTrax's most classic, mature, and reliable model. The GXL V2 has a large console, long battery life, all-aluminum alloy frame, front headlight, and UL 2272 certification, safe and smooth to ride. Featuring a 36V 5.2 Ah long-life battery, this GXL V2 scooter can reach up to a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a max range of 12 miles under optimum conditions, with the cruise control system, bringing convenience to your riding. It requires no maintenance, no repair, anti-piercing, so you needn't worry about being punctured. The solid tire has more cushion and provides a more comfortable ride than the traditional air tire. The 250W motor provides high torque but maintains a low power consumption. The e-scooter reaches a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour and can handle up to 220 pounds. This new and improved motor will make your riding faster, safer, and quieter.